Hello digital artists, I'm Galia from AI Creative Tools. In this video, I'll give you a quick overview of how our prompt builder functions. As you see, the prompt builder is a Google Sheets-based tool, so you'll need a free Google account to use it. Let's take a look at the T-shirt Design Prompt Builder Pro as an example. You'll see several drop-down lists pre-filled with a variety of options carefully selected for this specific theme. Simply pick the options you like, and feel free to skip any drop-downs if you prefer not to add certain details. In the empty cells, you can optionally enter your own custom text. As you make your selections, the prompt builder dynamically updates the result prompt in real time. No need for any prompt engineering knowledge. The tool handles all the technical work for you. Once your prompt is ready, you can copy it and paste it directly into Midjourney or any other text-to-image AI generator. And just like that, here are your outcome images. Each of our prompt builders is designed with a unique inner architecture that's tailored to its specific theme. This ensures that the prompt formula is made perfectly for the particular requirements of the builder, whether you're working with t-shirt designs, clip art, coloring pages, fantasy theme, photos, patterns, backdrops, mockups, or any other theme. Explore our website to learn more about the prompt builder tool and discover the perfect builder for your niche. Thank you for choosing AI Creative Tools. Happy creating, and good luck with your AI-generated designs.